This is Rajesh from Tech Multi-Tech Engineering College, MCA. The topic is virtual energy-based encryption and keying for wireless sensor network. My abstract is designing for a cost-efficient, secure network protocol for wireless sensor network. It's a challenging problem because our sensors are resource-limited wireless devices. Since the communication cost is the most determined factor in the sensor's energy, contribution introduced the energy efficient for virtual energy-based encryption and keying mechanism. Then BPEC is a secure communication framework where censored data is encoded using the scheme based on permutation code is generated to the RC4 encryption mechanism. The key of the RC4 mechanism is determinately changes the functions of the residual virtual energy based sensor. Then my existing system we only used for critical virtual energy value, which is the first deployment of the network. The dynamic encoding filtering mechanism exchanging explicit control messages for the keying, easily attacked by the malicious users. Then communication is cost is to be high. Proposition system a dynamic encoding filtering mechanism does not exchange explicit control messages for keying. Provision one time this is a key for each packet transmitted to avoid slack RC4 mechanism used for encryption. A robust secure communication framework. The communication cost is low when compared with the old system. Module for the my system is to be considered the stream crypto module, then forwarding module, authentication module. Stream crypto module is described as stream crypto module encryption to transmit the receiver share and same secret key. The key forms seed which they generated pseudo random key to be streamed. Currently it has a limited streaming mechanism that allows the receiver to be consuming content of the real time. Repo module RC4 uses the variable length from the 12256 bytes instead of a 256 state table. Then RC4 keying is often limited to 40 bits becomes the export the restriction sometimes used as a 128-bit key. During a n-bit key set up the numeric length to the encryption. Forwarding module, the final module debug communication architecture, the forwarding module, the networking module is responsible for sending packets. Authentication module is one-way transformation to the message and secret key in order use MAC algorithm computer network. A secret key should be described to the can be based on the various approaches. The widely used messages authentication code and pseudo random function generator based on cryptomatic hash functions. Then software requirement operating system Windows 7 programming packages rehash IDE Visual Studio 2005. Then use case diagram to describe the sender and receiver to describe the data, then receive file, send the file, encrypt the data, they select to the file to be sent. Then activity diagram to sender get the IP address to authentication. If yes or no, then select the file to be sent. Encryption and the secret key to be generated. The encryption key data send the file, the receiver file, and the receiver. The sequence diagram sender crypto module and the RC4 forwarder receiver modules. Then once the acknowledgement to be sent, they send the file and encrypt the data to generate the secret key and receive the file. And collaboration diagram is sender and receiver to the RC4 mechanism. The crypto module to send the file, the forward module to encrypt the data. Class diagram is to be hash match crypto engine and encrypto thread resources server code. Destination to be stored described by the client code and encrypted thread and relationship between the resources and crypto engine. This is the high rate uncounted bit extension to the secret key and the secret key values the secret key value to be sent to encrypt and request to be sent to the module. The another diagram, this is the diagram to send the acknowledgement to generate the key. This the diagram to high rated unencrypted bit data to be generate the key to be accept the client. Then finally the interaction the key number is 4, IP is 192